Welcome to Wreckin Breckin to make steam.
So today we have milk and what's this stuff? Food coloring. And then we have a cotton ball right here and we put some dish soap on it. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna dump in the milk in this saucer, then Wreckin Breckin is gonna put all of the food coloring around in circles and it's gonna be crazy. And then we're gonna take this little cotton ball really gently and put it right in the middle and see what happens. Now this experiment might take a little bit of time, so we're gonna check it out and see how much fun it is. Thanks for checking out our video today. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel to get more awesome videos like this in the future, right, Wreckin Breckin?
Yeah, and also we're gonna do a gummy versus food challenge.
A gummy versus food challenge? I'm so excited! Awesome!
We're gonna do that tomorrow.
I'm excited. You guys better check out that video next time. Hit that subscribe button, like our videos, and we're gonna have some fun. Okay, Wreckin Breckin, for the first, you need to dump in some milk. Nice and easy. Whoa, nice and easy. Wreckin Breckin is doing great. He did it! Yes! We got all the milk poured into our saucer. Now, for the next part of our experiment, Wreckin Breckin is gonna need to take these food colorings and just do dip, 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 dip all around in a circle. Yep, good job. Keep going, you're doing great. And I'm gonna do the red one in the middle here. Whoa, whoa, oh, I'm crossing you. Woohoo, keep going, you're doing awesome. Good job, buddy. Okay, now you do the green one closer in the middle. Woohoo, blue looks great. Okay, green one goes in the middle now. And then we'll do some yellow. Ooh, drip, 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 drip. Cool, okay, now here's the crazy part. We're gonna take this little cotton ball with dish soap and we're gonna put it right in the middle and see what happens. Nice and easy, put it right in the middle and we'll see if anything happens. Right in the middle on the green. Ooh, that's so cool. Let me go get a camera so we can show everybody what's happening. Let's check this out. Whoa! Check that out, guys. Wreckin Breckin, what do you think of that? Woo, he says, thumbs up. Yeah. Oh, that is so cool, Wreckin Breckin. Look at how it moves. What color do you see in there?
Those tape, yeah.
You're gonna move it around, see what happens. Oh, splash! And now it's moving over there. Wow!
Look what color is changing.
I see that. That is so cool.
Thanks, subscribe to my video. Okay guys, that was awesome! That was a fun milk, food coloring, cotton ball, dish soap experiment. Wreckin Breckin just had a lot of fun doing that one. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, take a look at our next video, and don't forget to like it. Hope you have a great day!